In this video, I'm going to show you how to join the FISCH Discord server for Roblox, so just follow these steps exactly. Now the first thing you want to do is open the Discord app on your phone or computer. Now once Discord opens, look on the left sidebar and scroll down until you see the plus icon that says Add a Server. Now if you're in a lot of servers, you may need to scroll down a bit to find it. So once you see it, just click on it. Now a menu will open, and here you want to click on Join a Server under the option that says Have an invite already. Now in the invite link box, type https://discord.gg/fish. Now after typing the link, just click on Join Server. Now within a second, you'll be added to the FISCH Discord server. Now once you join, you'll need to read the rules and agree to them to get started. Now after that, you'll be asked to verify your account, and in some cases, Discord may require phone verification before you can send messages. Now just click on the verification channel, follow the steps shown, and complete the verification process. Now once verification is done, you'll have full access to the server and you can start chatting and participating. And that's it. That's how you join the FISCH Discord server for Roblox. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.